my dear friend current routine, I would say. As I am filming to you guys, I'm also filming a TikTok video on my phone. That's why we have two mics today. Yep, two mics so I can record on both. It is hair day today, so I need to wash my hair. I use currently using that crayon from Shein. I have been liking the fast simplicity of the crayon, so that's what we're gonna do right now. Do it simple. I like simple makeup. As a mom, if you're a mom of multiple babies, you know. So yeah, just trying to make things really simple. Showing you my makeup routine whenever I want something on my face currently. So that's all for my brows. I will not even explain to you guys. You've seen what I've done. And then very, very important, because I really have short lashes, we're gonna use mascara. Who doesn't like affordable, good quality makeup and essence? They have some of my favorite product, especially the mascara. Is the Lash Without Limits, and look at the difference. Can you see? Because I usually have very short lashes, it is way enough for me. Yep. And also I did lash curl, lash perm. I do it by myself at home, so I don't have to curl them every day. I do it maybe every 3 months, and I did it last week, Friday, I think. Yeah, so it's been a week because it's Friday today. I really like to film. Well, I take the time to film on Fridays because there's no school tomorrow, so my husband is watching movies with the kids. That's on movie day, that's on Friday, and so I can do something else. So I try to film as much as possible right now, because I don't have time to do any more filming during the week, except for the stories on Instagram. So if you're not following me there and you want to follow me there, you can. My stories are honestly mixed, either French and English, depending of my mood, or sometimes there's no words to my stories, just photos of the day and stuff. So I am using now the single eyeshadow from MAC. This is the Wood Wicked, and I will apply it in my crease. I just want to have fun today, just try, because on the pen it looks very dark, but when you put it on, definitely too light. So I'm gonna change plan. So I would usually take Settle from MAC, so that's the one I'm taking. I'll just go over it. See, it's just a little deeper. So I messed up my makeup. That's not how I do it. Usually only take the matte one, but we do that for now. It's a brush and just blend it. Yep. Okay, now it's the most important part of my routine, and this is, you guys, wait, the most important part of my routine, also the one that I prefer, that here, usually here, and here. Okay, and then with that same brush I just blend it. mostly in place. Try not to move it too much. It is a contour stick, but I like to use it as a bronzer. See? And then nose, and then blend this. We just added some color to the face, some structure to that round face, because I know I have a round face and I like it. Oh, we also put some blush. I really like the color. This is from M&Co Beauty, and this is their Dream Liquid Dewy blush, and I do have a brush for the blush, and I will just pat it and just bring it up a little bit like so, and do the same thing next door to the other side. So for the one who are watching on TikTok or Instagram, because probably share that there as well, I am currently filming a vlog for YouTube. So if you want to talk more, if you want to see more of my videos, I am on YouTube as well. This is another format that I really like because I love to talk, and TikTok videos, or well, TikTok users, of course, they prefer short versions. So if you want the long version, come on YouTube. This is from MAC. This is the Reaching Roses. This is a mini. Guys, I have a problem with the minis. I love mini makeup, and since I am also not wearing that much makeup, and it can easily go like, you can have it for like a year and then it's bad, right? So I rather buy minis and use it all and then buy it again, instead of buying big and don't have time to finish it. So I think we're done for TikTok. So if you're not following there, come along. Come along and follow me there. I have to charge everything right now. Okay, I wanted to just talk a little more with you guys. I really love YouTube version because I think it's, to me personally, it's more natural. You can see me better, you can see more of me as well. I talk more, whereas on TikTok and Instagram, I don't talk that much, so you can't really tell. I truly believe that you can know a person by the way the person talk. So yeah, this is the makeup look. Really easy, really simple. Sometimes I will add gel for brows. I do have two that I use. This one is both of them are from She Glam. The big difference is that one, let me just show you guys. So that's the first one, very thick. It really holds your brows perfectly, you know what I mean? It really stick to your skin. I really like that it is long lasting, but I feel like this one is give it just a more natural finish, and I like it better, you know. Like with the other one, you just stick to your face. If you want a brow lift without going to the salon, then this one will be good. If not, this one is good. Look at the difference. We'll add a bit of, just for fun, this on my upper here. Okay guys, I have to tell you, so I was planning to film and post this video earlier this week, and I got sick. I was not feeling good on Wednesday morning. Didn't have fever, nothing like that, but I had pain in my back, lower back, lower tummy. Just had a baby 9 months ago, so I was thinking maybe Lady Red is coming back, I don't know, and it wasn't the case. Well, and I was a bit worried because on Wednesday evening I wasn't feeling right. I don't know where you're from, where you're watching from. I don't know if you can do that, but after COVID they allowed us to talk to a doctor online. So that's what I did because I was worried. Calling me Mrs. Worried. Like, I get worried so easily. So I was worried. And I booked that appointment, talked to the doctor, and I am also gluten intolerant. I just know that every time I eat gluten, I'm sick. I don't even know if I'm celiac, I don't know, but I can't eat gluten without being sick and having a sore tummy for days. I'm a bit scared to go to the doctor because I know I will need to eat gluten for them to be able to test it, and I don't want to do that. It's just too painful for me. So I rather just live my life and diagnose myself and do whatever I prefer and whatever does not hurt me too much. The doctor, he said that it was probably a bowel problem. So that's that. It was worse last night, worse this morning, so I had to go to the doctor. This morning I went to the doctor's to get checked, and apparently I have an infection. So I was trying to film a little dancing video at the beginning of the week, and now I can't because I have a sore back, lower back. It's very painful, and I'm taking antibiotics. I think that's it for the makeup. Just leave that so we can just talk like friends would do. And yeah, so I went to doctor and I'm taking antibiotics now. I'm not a fan of antibiotics because I know. So they didn't have a clear answer to what I was having, but they told that just take the antibiotics and we see how it goes. So that's what I'm doing. And yeah, that was my week of just being sick and trying to lay down because it is the only position that works for me, in which I'm not in pain. And right now, as I'm talking to you, I took 2 antibiotics, so this morning and in the afternoon, and I can feel when I sit down, it's not painful anymore. It's not as it was. So hopefully it gets better because I love dancing. Even though I'm not posting, I won't be posting every time I will dance. I love dancing, and every time I can film, I do. It's not always the case, but yeah. And just before I leave you guys, I hope that you're all doing well. Let me know in the comment section, how are you doing? The world is going crazy and it is scary, I must say, to see everything's happening, but I keep hope that everyone's safe, all of you are safe, and stay safe as much as you can. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.